Hello Joe fans, Indian Toy Gyani is back with one more GI Joe to review, and this time it's Crimson Guard Immortal. Well, Crimson Guard represents several steps forward in the evolution of Cobra Trooper. They are considered the most elite trooper of Cobra's army and possesses fearsome oath of loyalty to Cobra Commander.
You call this
Let's talk
success?
about
You
figure.
let them have the fuel and bring me.
This figure is mostly in red maroon color. Well, articulation wise, standard Fun School GI Joe articulation. Entire figure is based on O-ring, which allows his hip to rotate. Head is on the ball joint, can move here, like this. Both hands rotates full 360-degree, but right now they are too tight to rotate. Knees having this 90-degree angle. It can move only that much. Well, unlike US version, this particular version is having few dissimilarities color wise. Obviously, this top helmet is golden in color in this particular variant. Then I believe this shoulder color, which was silver in US version, which is absent here. This knife is in silver and golden color in US version. It was black, and this grenades on his thigh, outside thigh. This is having this golden scheme, and this shin guard is silver in color, and they have added this bullet like feature on the laces, which was absent in the US version. On top, it's a missile launcher, and at the bottom, it's a gun, just like it is shown here on this file card. Here you go. Unfortunately, I have tried putting this particular missile launcher in his hand, but this particular hand is very stiff and I might break this thumb if I push more. So we'll just keep this side, and um, let's talk about the accessories. Well, his backpack is having this 1 2 and 3 missiles to hold on, because that's the only space what we get to keep his missiles. The bizarre thing about this is in orange color. However, in US version this was black in color. Well, and in this hand, you can clearly see uh, how it appears. Okay, this particular uh, gun and launcher, however, is having this small this portion small. This was actually used to get connected to an ammo belt, and from here onwards it used to connect here on this peg here. So it appears to be something like this. Okay, this Crimson Guards are having or leaving two lives at the same time. They are loyal to Cobra Commandos, as well as they are living amongst people, doing normal mundane jobs, and trying to be like civilians. So they must be very good at spying. So let's take a closer look at this wonderful card art. Look at all these Joes, guys. Feel totally nostalgic. Back in the times in 2001, this particular Joe was 69 rupees. Would you believe it, guys? Wow. And here is the front side. Traditional Fun School logo. Here is our Crimson Guard shooting. As the card says that we have to shoot it like this. Let me just try. Like this. Okay, it's quite a shooter. So that's it, guys. That's it from my side. I'm concluding this video of Crimson Guard Immortal. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be coming with more and more G.I. Joe action figure reviews from this Fun School line. So stay tuned, and yo Joe.